all we want to do is create spaces where you can have more open, honest conversations, and then you can take them into your societies and keep feeding them forwards and kind of promoting that positive masculinity.
Why would you recommend these to other teams or societies?
So I think it's important to create these spaces where people feel like they can talk about this sort of thing, because it's not something that occurs very naturally. It's people all getting together and discussing these ideas, because there is a lot of tension that needs to be broken before people can get into these. So I think it's really important to break through those walls and get into the real nitty gritty of what we need to talk about in terms of mental health.
What have you seen change on the back of some of these workshops at the university?
I think people's mindsets have changed, especially on topics such as mental health and even just some of the pressures we're under as young people, and being in part of sports clubs and socialising with different people. We weren't having these conversations a few years ago, and I think it's just really positive.